everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Today buckle up as we spend a full-on deep dive with one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of 2024. The all-new Kia Sportage. As it rolls into view, there's no denying its presence. The 2024 Sportage immediately commands attention with a design that's more sculpted, more purposeful front fascia. Notice the larger tiger nose grille almost leaning into aggressive territory, now integrated seamlessly with the twin boomerang-shaped LED DRLs. These are not just styling cues but functional daytime lights that offer high visibility lighting up front. The split LED headlights articulate a bold personality up top. You'll find available panoramic glass roof options giving a sense of space inside. From the side, the Sportage tips the scales at around 4.5 meters, compact in size but with proportions that suggest a slightly larger vehicle. Trim options range: standard 17-inch alloy wheels on base trims stepping up to 18 or 19-inch alloys on SXX line or X Pro. Step inside and the Sportage continues to impress. The cabin is spacious, upscale and tech-savvy with up to 41.3 inches of rear legroom. It's one of the roomiest in its class. You'll find dual 12.3-inch panoramic displays in higher trims, one for the digital instrument cluster and one for the touchscreen infotainment. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard with available features like wireless charging, Harman Kardon premium audio and even ventilated front seats with the second row upright. Expect around 4041 cubic feet drop seats for about 75 cubic feet. Build quality, tight panel gaps, premium feel and levers and switches. Reassurance that Kia has moved upmarket. Under the hood, the 2024 Sportage offers three powertrain options: a standard 2.5L four-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower, a 1.6L turbocharged hybrid delivering 227 horsepower and great fuel economy, and for maximum efficiency, a plug-in hybrid (PHEV) variant with up to 34 miles of all-electric range. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and you can opt for all-wheel drive for extra confidence in bad weather or light off-road terrain. Safety is a cornerstone, and the 2024 Sportage doesn't cut corners. Every trim offers the comprehensive Kia DriveWise Advanced Safety Suite: lane keeping assist, LKA, subtle steering intervention if drifting, blind spot collision avoidance, BCA, alerts and corrective steering/braking if someone's in your blind spot, rear cross traffic collision avoidance, RCCA, identifies crossing traffic and auto brakes if needed. Smart Cruise with stop and go maintains gap, can bring the SUV to a complete stop, then resume. Safe Exit Assist warns rear passengers if traffic is approaching before door opens. Surround View Monitor 360-degree top-down view for parking and tight spaces. Visuals, animated overlays showing cost comparisons, warranty badges, price tags versus competitors around $28,000 to $30,000 depending on trim and market. Hybrid 1.6L HEV starting from $32,000 to $34,000. Gas only, mid 20s city, low 30s highway. Hybrid, high 30s to low 40s MPG combined for daily commuting. The hybrid or PHEV gives effortless flexibility, quiet cab, instant torque, seamless shifts, bold eye-catching exterior and upscale interior. Multiple powertrain choices: gas hybrid, plug-in hybrid, best-in-class rear space and smart storage, strong warranty, competitive pricing, fuel savings. Safety tech and driver assists, plentiful and intuitive. To wrap it all up, the 2024 Kia Sportage is a bold leap forward for the brand. It's no longer the overlooked player but a fully modern SUV loaded with style, technology, efficiency, and versatility. Thanks for watching. If today's review helped you narrow your search or raised new questions, drop them in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the deep dive. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. We'll see you on the road in a Sportage.